Hey guys, I hope you're all well, you're having a great day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Greta. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. I usually do makeup, beauty, reviews, tutorials, and positive videos in general. So if you're up for that, press the button to subscribe. Alright, this video, as you've seen already from the title, we're gonna be checking out the Makeup Revolution Stretch It Out Ultimate Length Mascara. This video is, as always, first impressions review. Brand new mascara to me, never tried this, have no idea if it's any good or no. It's still wrapped in this original plastic seal, which I'm gonna try and take it off now. I really love this matte black packaging. I'm in general love black packaging, like anything that comes in black, I'm like, yes please. I thought somehow the mascara wand gonna be smaller because I got this online, so from the pictures in my head somehow I thought that mascara wand is way much smaller. On the plus side, it's the silicone brush and I'm all the way for silicone brush. Okay, without any further ado, let's try this on. I have very good at eyes, by the way. To go mascara shield, as I'm just making too much mess, as I said, I always get mascara on my lid because my eyes are hooded and I have very heavy hands. That's why, two factors. Not too keen on this brush though, because it's just so big, so I feel like I can't brush my lashes because it kind of just gets stuck together. That makes sense. I don't know what you guys think. Did it give like extra length for this eye? Alright, let's do this eye. Alright, I just flaking up the mess that I made in here. All you need to do is just wait for it to dry and then I'm just gonna flake it off. I don't know what I think of this mascara so far. I mean, yes, it gave length, you could obviously see that. Like, it's just this mascara then, it's very big. Like, proper big. So it makes it trickier to kind of coat every single lash, especially if it's shorter, you know. Mascara itself, I think it's amazing. Mascara wand, I'm not too keen on it, but I mean, it's workable. Okay, let's do the lower lash line. So what do you guys think about this Stretch It Out Mascara Ultimate Length by Revolution? It definitely gave length. I don't know if that's ultimate length. I mean, it's not a fiber mascara, so I can't compare with that because fiber mascara would obviously, you know, have a little fiber, so it would stick onto your lash, therefore making it look longer. This is just a lengthening mascara, so it means it's only gonna stick to your lashes and maybe like on the tip at the end of a lash, maybe it's gonna stick a bit more to create the, you know, lengthening effect. The volumizing mascaras, it coats lash with more product, therefore making it look like it's more lashes, you know, because it looks thicker on the base. This mascara, I don't know, I have mixed feelings. I like mascara as a product, not too keen on this massive mascara and like revolution. You didn't need this. You needed to be skinnier and a bit more tapered. It is slightly bit tapered, but not much. But seeing that, I think my lashes looks amazing. It does look long, so I guess thumbs up for me. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you tried this mascara and what's your favorite mascara. Talking about cruelty free, so I can give it a go as well. And if you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!